What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is a rainy Thursday. This is day 5 of the egg fast. Whoa, guys, it's going so well. I feel so good. I have to just give you a little bit of a report, so hold on one second. So check this out. The breast tenderness that I had is almost all gone. That's right, almost all gone. It had to be the fuelings. It had to be. I'm absolutely convinced. I'm not saying they're bad, but for me, it had to be that. And not only that, but eating the egg fast for the last few days has really jump-started me. My ketones are there. I am in full-blown ketosis. I am doing an unintentional intermittent fasting because I wake up and I'm not hungry. I'm usually, over the last few days, I've been just starting to eat at lunchtime. I have a lunch and a dinner, and that's it. And so having a 16 to 18 hour fast has really kicked ketosis in there. So I'm excited. I'm feeling so good. I'm gonna do this for a couple more days, probably through the weekend, and then I will transition off into some type of ketovore, low carb, staying away from processed foods kind of lifestyle. So now that I am about to get on the highway, I'm gonna shut the phone off and I'll continue this in a little bit. Guys, so I have officially parked. Wow. All right. So if you are a food addict, if you are a sugar addict, if you are a self-sabotager, if you are a diet jumper, if you are going through hormonal changes, if you're postmenopausal, or whatever other reason you may have, inflammation, arthritis, you're not able to sleep good at night, consider an egg fast just for a couple of days. And tell me if you don't notice a difference. Now, I know I've done this before. I did an egg fast many years ago, and I believe it's still up on my channel here. And interestingly enough, it did the same thing. Wonderful results, but I was very lightheaded, and it was told to me back then that my electrolytes were probably off. So what I have been doing, and I'm not sponsored, none of it, but I did purchase this item a while ago, and I still had it in my cabinet, are the LMNT, electrolyte water mixes. It's 1,000 milligrams of sodium. It's got potassium and magnesium in it. So sodium, potassium, magnesium, a perfect balance of electrolytes. And you're going to either need it or not need it. Some people just salt their food. That's great. But I like these because it flavors the water. My favorite flavors are the citrus and the watermelon. It tastes like Jolly Rancher to me. And there's no artificial sweeteners. It's stevia, so that's a natural plant. So you're getting all natural electrolytes. No more Powerade Zeros for me. No more Diet Cokes. Just trying very hard to kick all of the inflammation. And boy, guys, I notice a big difference. I can even see it in my face. Now, I have no under eye makeup on today, and I see a little bit of darkness. But I swear, as of yesterday morning, I noticed the little bit of darkness that I have is a little bit less than what it was about a week ago. And I don't want to say it's my head, but I notice it. I do know that ketosis does that to the body. I'm familiar with it. I've done this before. I've just not been able to stick with one thing. I always go to something else, looking for the quick fixes. And I know that's my addiction talking. It's not anything but that. I clearly have an addiction to, ready? This is what I've discovered. I want fast results, fast. That's the addiction. Because if I sit and think about really why I go back to certain things, it's always because it's so quick, convenient. You know, I feel like I'm an idiot, but I know I'm not. It's life. We do things, whatever. It's not a big deal. But most importantly, the breast tenderness. That was a little concerning. And as of today, I feel like I'm almost over it. The actual breast itself, there's no more pain. The nipple area is almost gone with pain. So I truly just can't think of anything else that would have been causing it, and to be drastically almost gone the minute I started the egg fast. You can make your own judgments on that. That's my judgment. Today, I'm having a few hard-boiled eggs for lunch, and then for dinner, I think I may, not sure yet, dive into, in the crock pot this morning before I left, I had a roast cooking, and the house smelled so good. So I may have a little bit of that. I'm not really sure, because then technically that would be not egg fasting, but you know, I mean, I'm on it already. This is day 5. So it's usually between 3 and 5 days. So we'll see. I don't know, but that's what's going on. That's my little update, and there will be more to come. I will do a full update after a week. I want to do this through the weekend as much as I can and see where I'm at, and I'll report back to you then. I hope you all have a great day. I love you. Mwah! Stay focused. Bye, guys.